Hello children, this is Fatma Miss, you know well. Okay, today I want to explain you the first lesson. First I want to give you the introduction. What is our first lesson in our textbook? The best Christmas present. Okay, I think you'll all like gifts, isn't it? Yes, you like gifts. If anybody gives you gifts, how do you feel? You feel very happy. Here, okay, here is also one lesson about the best Christmas gift. Okay, here, just this lesson has three parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. So, I want to explain you the first part. Okay, so what will be the first part? Just listen to me. Here, there are three characters in this lesson. Who are those three characters? Jim McPherson, Mrs. Connie, and Hans Ulf. Hans Ulf. Okay. So there are three characters. I'll explain you later in detail. Just I want to give a small introduction. First, I'll explain you the first part. What is the first part about? Here, one day the narrator in this lesson, I will be given in every paragraph. Okay. Here, the narrator speaks. Who is here? Narrator speaks. Michael Murpulago. Who is the narrator here? Michael Murpulago. He is the narrator. He is the author and he speaks. One day what happened? Okay, leave it everything. I'll just tell you a small part. Okay, so what is it? One day the narrator wants to buy a roll top desk. He wants to buy a desk. So he goes to a junk shop to buy it. There he sees everything, all the desks. They will be too expensive. He asks the cost of those will be very expensive. Then suddenly he sees one roll top desk which is in bad condition. It is clumsily mended. The legs are clumsy. Legs of the desk means the down legs. You know the desk will have four legs. They are clumsily mended. The wood is not proper. The desk is full of scorch marks. Scorch marks means burnt marks. Okay, and the veneer has come up. What is the veneer? If you put any wood item in the water, after some days it will swell and the upper layer comes out, the plywood comes out. That is called veneer. So what happens is, when he goes to junk shop, he sees all the desks. Some are very nice, if he wants to buy, but they are very expensive. So what he does is, he sees the old one and he asks the shopkeeper, what is the cost of this desk? Then the shopkeeper says, oh, this desk is not, it is an old item, it is already in a bad condition. If you can give little amount and take it. Who will say this one? The shopkeeper. Okay, then what he'll do is, the narrator, he'll pay some little amount and he'll bring back, he'll take the desk and goes to his house and puts it in the back of the garage. He has some garage, he puts in the back of the garage and he wants to restore it. Restore means repair it. One day later he wants to repair it. So what he thinks it, okay, afterwards I can repair it. Now let me keep it away. So he keeps in the back side of the garage. Then on Christmas Eve, one day what he does, he takes the desk and he wants to repair it. So the desk will be having three drawers. So first drawer he'll open, second drawer he'll open. When he tries to open the third one, the third drawer will not be opened. It will be stuck. So then this narrator, what he does is, he uses his brute force with his fist and he pulls out the drawer. Then when he pulls out the drawer very hardly with his brute force, the drawer comes out. The last drawer, the third drawer comes out. And when it comes out, he sees in the drawer there will be some shallow space in the drawer. What will be there? Shallow space means that there will be some another secret drawer. Shallow space means there will be another secret drawer there. Then he takes out that secret drawer also. When he takes out the secret drawer, he opens it. Then he sees one small black tin box. covered with cellophane tape, cello taped. It will be cello taped. So in the secret drawer there will be one small black tin box covered with tape, cello taped. So he will open that box. He will be surprised and shocked. What is this box? What is this small black tin box here? He sees, and he opens that tin box. When he opens the tin box, he finds one envelope cover. He finds one envelope cover. Then he wants to take out that envelope cover and read what is there inside that envelope cover. What is there? He wants to see it. But he feels scribbles. Scribbles means shall I do or not? Going to do, hesitating to do bad things is called scribbling. Shall I do or not? This is bad now. Shall I do or not? Taking others' things and reading, taking others' things and using without informing them. These things are bad, isn't it? So what he feels it, shall I open this letter or not? Shall I open and read this envelope cover or not? On that envelope cover, there will be one address. That is 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport. Some address will be there. So that address will be written with shaky hands. Some old people writes, so like that it will be written on a shaky hands. So what happens? Anyhow, he opens the envelope cover. He reads that letter. What is there in that letter? I think you all have read that lesson. Some of you might have not read it. Okay, he reads the letter. What is there in that letter? I'll explain you in the next video. Okay, children, did you understand this one? Just I'll recall it fast. The narrator will goes to a junk shop. He wants to buy one roll top desk, but when he sees the desk in the shop, all will be too expensive. So what he does it, he doesn't want to waste money on buying too expensive desks. So what he does, he suddenly spots out one old desk which is clumsily mended. His desk, the legs are not proper. So he asks the shopkeeper, what is the cost of this desk? The shopkeeper says, this costs very little. Why? Because it is badly damaged. You can take it. You can give little amount and take this desk. So the narrator feels very happy and brings that, he'll pay little amount to the shopkeeper and brings the desk and keeps in the garage, back of the garage. And one day he starts repairing it. When he starts repairing it, he opens first two drawers. First two will be opened easily, but the third one will not be opened easily. He will open with a brute force. Inside it, there will be one shallow space. There will be another secret drawer, and inside he'll open the secret drawer also. Then inside that he'll find one small tin box, black tin box. In that tin box, there will be one letter, envelope cover will be there. Inside that one letter will be there. So that on that envelope cover there will be some address written. So what he'll do is he will open that cover and he reads the letter. What is there in that letter? Who has written that letter to whom? Why? On what situation? So let us see in the next video. I think you have understood the first part of your textbook. Okay children, thank you. Bye.